What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is Franklin Investment. Woo! I am so happy to be back again. I didn't record video yesterday because yesterday market was just insane. There is this Reddit users that are coming together, even on Twitter, including Elon Musk, trying to send a message to hedge funds that are shorting GameStop. So it has been crazy with the ticker GME. That is literally the only stock that has been going up for the past 2 to 3 days now. So this stock was trading around $40 at a point, and right now, in pre-market, the stock is up again 65%, presently trading at $319. Guys, it has been a crazy week. I just can't wait for this month to be over. So let's talk about genomics. Enough of all this pump and dump thing. So today I'm gonna start with the webinar. As we know, yesterday and 2 days ago, since Tuesday, there has been tons of activities going on in the genome industry. So the most important one concerning we that are invested in genomics are just these two. Okay, this was the previous one, so I'm going to go through this one and this one as fast as possible because I know time is money and I also don't have that time. So if you guys want to see this video once again, this is from the medical officer of genomics. You can see her name is Alka. You can see this is Dr. Shaube. Okay, she's a doctor. So if you want to watch this video, this is like 35-minute video, but I'm just going to okay, there is no introduction. Dr. Aka was talking about genomics Sapphire. This is more or less something we've spoken about times without numbers. Okay, and she was talking about the cytogenics industry and how Sapphire is taking over this industry. So that's more or less what this video is all about, and how Sapphire can do what all these old school dinosaur devices cannot do, and how important Sapphire is to the clinicians. So let's go to the next one. So this next one, the title is Utilization of Optical Genome Mapping in Detection and Characterization of Rare Genetic Markers in Pediatric Leukemias. So this is Gordon Raka, and she spoke about Sapphire as well. Let me just read this little statement for you guys. Many of the newly recognized clinically significant genetic markers in pediatric leukemias cannot be reliably detected by routine diagnostic assays. They remain cryptic by karyotype analysis and are typically not interrogated by FISH testing or by diagnostic next-generation sequencing panels. This next-generation sequencing is more or less what ARK Invest has been promoting, this is about Illumina, about PacBio. ARK Invest are still saying in the next 5 years, this next generation sequencing using the power of deep learning, from Google or something like that is going to take over the market and is going to be the market leader. So, yeah. In this webinar, Dr. Raka presents results of a pilot study in which optical genome mapping revealed clinically significant structural variants in pediatric leukemias, which are missed by comprehensive multimodal clinical testing. She also illustrates the application of OGM, optical genome mapping. Okay, she also illustrates the application of OGM to study a rare structural abnormality of the PAX5 gene in pediatric B lymphoblastic leukemia, which could not be accurately characterized by other molecular methods. So yeah. So that is all about the webinar. It's more than this. You can easily go to Genomics and you can check out this video where she explains everything, how Sapphire was able to detect all these rare structural variances. So this video is like 47 minutes, and yeah. So that is it from Genomics website. So let's go to the next one. Every day before I record a video, I always make a tweet asking you guys to ask me any question. I'm just going to go through these questions one by one, and we'll move on. So Don, he said, when will we reach $20? So Don, my price target is $100. Okay, and like I have said, Genomics present total revenue is like more or less $10 million, and the addressable market, the market opportunity is more than $4 billion, and I predict they are at one point going to be able to do more than $500 million in total revenue. Annually. So right now they are doing 10 million, and I am predicting, according to my analysis, according to my due diligence, I see them doing like over 500 million US dollars total annual revenue. I mean, in the next 5 years, let's say. So if you say when can we reach 20 US dollars, I think you are just trying to be as conservative. You have to think more than that, okay? So my price target remains 100 US dollars, guys. Just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. So Revolver, he said, feed me your knowledge. Illumina and PacBio, what is the deal? So like I have said several times, PacBio and Illumina, Illumina now is not even, I mean, ARK Invest took their money out of Illumina. They have been saying Illumina was the best company for almost years, I would say. And now they are totally out of Illumina, I believe, because the ARK Genome, the ETF, ARK-G, with the ticker ARK-G, of course, they took all the money out of Illumina, and PacBio is another stock that they have been selling heavily since last week. Of course, they own at least more than 17 million shares of PacBio. I think they are the number one owner still. So it's easy to say they are trying to balance their portfolio. That's why they are selling it little by little, because according to their strategy, they have a limit on how many shares or how big a position can be in their portfolio, just like they did with Tesla. They have been selling and buying Tesla, and yeah, so most people would say that, but in my opinion, I have no idea what they are doing, and I think that is the deal with PacBio so far and Illumina. So I would rather put my money behind Bngo than put my money behind this sequencing technology. So the next one: should the long-term investors be concerned about the current market situation? All right, guys, let me remind you that Tesla was consolidating for like 4 years. Tesla consolidated for like 4 years before it finally broke out last year, after the dip. So guys, just chill out. I mean, this stock is up more than 1,500% in less than 2 months. So it has to consolidate at a point. They have to sell some sapphire. They have to invest in other they have to invest in research and development. They have to develop a new device. They have to sell the device that they presently have, that is able to do what other next generation sequencing technology are unable to do at that same price. Yeah, they have to make some sales. We need time. I mean, right now I know the market is crazy because of all this GameStop stock, and everybody can easily be distracted, but you have to focus on the price. So that's what I'm also doing. And the next one: when did you start Discord? I don't know what this guy is trying to say, but I started Discord I believe this week. So yeah, a few days ago. I think on Monday. I think on Sunday I started it, on Sunday. Yeah, so when will FDA approve most likely happen? All right, so the captain, I think FDA, I have said this several times, FDA approval is not really, it is good for FDA to approve the Sapphire, but it is not really relevant to the sales of Sapphire. Clinics are already using the Sapphire device. According to GENOMICS, their devices already being used right now all across, not only in the USA, in Europe, So I don't think FDA approval is relevant. That is why they are also not focusing on that. So last year, August 24th, 2020, BioNanoGenomics dropped this news. Lineagen joins BioNanoGenomics. So what is Lineagen? I think most of you guys are missing this. You missed this news. So let me just read this part for you guys, okay? Combining our Sapphire system for comprehensive structural variation detection together with Lineagen's expertise in development, commercialization, and reimbursement of LDTs through CLIA certified services provide the key ingredients to help support our goal of Sapphire consolidating and replacing traditional cytogenetic assays and obtaining reimbursement for patient testing by third-party payers, and help dramatically accelerate Sapphire adoption throughout clinical genome analysis in genetic disease and cancer. So if your question is about FDA approval, I believe that statement answers your question. Through the acquisition of Lineagen, Bionano already have, it's more like you took a shortcut. Bionano took a shortcut, and this FDA approval is really not relevant right now. Okay, so let's move on. Do you see an extended lag on Bngo stock price due to due to what is going on in the market, or do you anticipate a risk like next week? So I think I already answered this question from this from Ragu. I think short term, there's always this up and down going up. Nothing goes up straight, Brad. Okay, nothing goes straight up. I mean, there's always up and down. There's moment of consolidation. People will take profit. The new investors, institutional investors, retail investors will come in, buy it again. It's all about support and resistance. So you just have to you just have to keep your eye on the price. You have to focus on the long term value of this company. That is what we are investing in, long-term value. The market cap, the market opportunity, which is over $4 billion US. That is what you have to keep your eye on, and that is what I have been doing. I'm going to explain more in my technical analysis section. Okay, so let's move on. There is something I want to talk about. Okay, this news is also, I already read this for you. It's from about the chief medical officer, how she presents vision for optical genome mapping as a first-line clinical tool for cancer and genetic disease testing, and at the Festival of Genomics and Biodata. I made my last video, I think from last week Friday. I spoke about the Festival of Genomics and Biodata that is happening this week and is still presently happening. And I also told you guys it is a good catalyst for BioNano Genomics stock. But unfortunately, this Reddit drama that is going on is affecting the whole of the market right now. So there is also something I want to share with you guys, okay? This news. So this is a news from Monthly Fool. I call these people fool. They are just fool. Bunch of fools. So there is this title, should you buy BioNano Genomics stock? This is a very stupid title for an article, because I don't know why this is even legal, guys. This should be illegal. So this is the article. This article is written by Kate Spike or Kate Scheisse or whatever it is his stupid name is. And the first thing I want you guys to know is, anytime you see an article written, you have to go down, especially if it's from this stupid website, The Monthly Fool, you have to go down and see if this person also owns a part of this business they are talking about or not. Okay, and here you guys can see here the author of the article, Kate Scheisse, he owns share of Illumina. So this is more or less Illumina shorting the stock of BioNano Genomics. This is more or less somebody that is buying Illumina, trying to tell you guys to stay away from the stock of BioNano Genomics, that you should put your money in Illumina. This is more or less what this article is all about. Okay, if you want to add this company to your portfolio, remember guys, do your own due diligence. This video is just for educational purpose. I am not your daddy, and I am definitely not your financial guru. So this video is not investment advice. Okay, do your own due diligence, please. So if you want to add this stock to your portfolio, I would buy at these zones. And of course, I was buying like crazy yesterday. I bought here, and today we may and we may not see this level again. Okay, if you take a look at this also, this is definitely a double bottom. Okay, there was this bounce here and then the second bounce here, and I made a tweet yesterday when we got to this level, when this green candle, after this red candle, I made a tweet yesterday that BioNanians, let's go, something like I am going bullish, and that is what I did. I bought this candle. Okay, but unfortunately we closed at this level. So right now the price is a little bit up, like a little bit up, like 1%. It's not really a big deal. So we will see what's gonna happen today, guys. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. I remain your boy Dio. This is Frontline Investment. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and destroy the like button. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.